Nomination for Ward 17 with Alpine, Fontainhas and Fontainhas and part of Altimares as well as Montpio. There has been a request come from a lot of my friends that honest, sincere candidates who have lived in Panjim their whole lives and intend to live in Panjim their whole lives want to contest and will be present and available, and so I put my foot forward.
So you will be contesting independent or
I will be contesting as an independent. This is an election which does not go on party lines, so it will be an independent contest. But I'm very hopeful that the opposition panel will back me.
How is the response for you so far in your?
Yeah, I started work around 3 months back. For the last 15 days, we have been going door to door, and we have connected at least out of 300 out of our votes. There are around 1,000 voters, out of which I think 700 vote. A lot of people are there who are not on the voting. Who are on the voting list but are not there. And around 300 we have reached. The response is very positive, and we are very hopeful that I will come through with a convincing margin.
Which panel are you going to support, of course?
I am very clear that whichever panel which has backed me, I will be with that panel.
One more thing is that
Most probably the opposition panel has assured me that they will give me their support, and I will be with the opposition.
one more thing we have seen is that for the past so many years we have seen you in active politics, active everywhere in social activism and all. What do you feel why there needs to be a change as far as it may be a council or corporate or whatever?
See, I think our grassroots politics has to change. There has been a lot. People have lost faith in the way politics is run. Anyone gives any assurance and jumps from here to there. If you see today the way Goa is developing, Goans have very limited say in what is happening. Everything has been run by an agenda which is coming from outside. Even businesses are going out, and we have to find, especially for Panjim, we have to find a way where we promote the right sort of things in Goa. So I think I have lived here my whole life. I've been here throughout, and I think I'm the right person to start bringing about this.
Thank you. How supportive it will be, and about your grandfather, your mother who's also there.
So as you see, my mother is there. Most of the people when I go around, they say, "You're Dr. Lily's son," so we trust you straight away. And as you know, my grandfather was a man of integrity. I think I've picked up a lot of those principles from my parents and my mother, and especially my grandfather. And I'm sure I'll stand up to it.